Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Money. In general term, money is a sort of commodity which passes freely from one hand to another as medium of exchange and accepted in payments of goods or in discharge of debts or business obligations. In legal terms, anything which is declared by the state as money is money. Thus only legal tender money which nobody can refuse to accept is money. Anything which is not declared by the state as money, such as credit money, cannot be included under the definition, though it may have the economic effects as legal tender money. Money is the most liquid of all the assets as it is readily convertible into other assets. Classification of money. Legal tender money. Legal tender money means money, the tender or payment of which constitutes discharge of debt. Some types of money are legal tender for any amount. They are termed as unlimited legal tender. For example, rupee in Indian and pound note in UK. Some types of money are legal tender up to a fixed amount. They are known as limited legal tender. In India, the half rupee is legal tender up to rupee 21 and small coins are legal tender up to rupee 1. Bank money. Bank money includes bank notes and deposits in a bank, both current and fixed overdraft facilities. These items normally can be freely used for making payments. They are therefore commonly treated as money. Strictly speaking, bank money is an acknowledgement of debt, while money proper or current account is money issued by the state and is legal tender. Money substitutes. Checks, bills of exchange, postal order, treasury bill and bearer bonds are used for making payments among known parties. They are not regarded properly as money but regarded as money substitutes. Money of account. Money of account is the unit in which accounts are kept and by which values are recorded. The money of accounting is usually the same as legal tender money. The rupee in India and dollar in USA are both legal tender money and money of account. Token money. Token money means money whose market value or face value is more than the value of its content. People accept such money at a higher value because of its benefit of legal tender quality. The small coins of India, for example, 50 paise, 20 paise are token coins. Commodity money. Commodity money implies money made of some metal. When the face value of money is equal to the value of the metal contained in it, it is also called a full-bodied and full-weight coin. Credit money. It is also known as bank money. This consists of deposits held with bank which are payable on demand by the depositors. Checks, drafts, bills of exchange are example of credit money. Cash. The term cash is used with a variety of meanings. For example, coins and notes together, coins only and small change. In bank accounts, the term cash is used to mean currency in the till plus deposits in the central bank. Coin. Coin is a piece of metal of definite design issued by the government with a mark showing its legal tender value. A coin has two values, an intrinsic value as a piece of metal which depends on the market value of the metal and a legal tender value or face value which is fixed by the government. Currency. The term currency is used to include both coins and notes. In the foreign exchange market, however, the term is used to mean particular currency unit, for example, dollar or pound. Paper money. Paper money implies money made of paper. All countries use paper money nowadays. There are three types of paper money. Representative or convertible, when the paper money merely represents a certain quantity of metal or coin and is convertible into them at the pleasure of the holder. It is termed as representative or convertible. When the paper money contains a promise to pay the holder a certain quantity of legal tender money, it is called fiduciary, like in 100 rupee note. Convertible, inconvertible or fiat currency that a government has declared to be legal tender but is not backed by physical commodity. Such notes are supposed to circulate because of the authority of the state. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.